In my first video, I showed you how to remove the flesh from the coconut shell. Now we're showing you how to extract the milk using a blender. Cut it up into fine strips like you see there. And you're gonna have some, you can store it in a Ziploc freezer bag and put it in the freezer. Just put your date on it, and already you're gonna know that it's coconut strips anyways, so it's clear to see. So we're moving on now to make the coconut milk. You put everything in the blender and notice the fill line going. You're gonna put the amount of water in there to about an inch or inch and a half above the coconut, and then you are going to blend it until it is very smooth like you see there. Now you're gonna get your strainer and your jug, give it a little bit of a wiggle there, and then use your hand and press the pulp. Press it as hard as you can. And then guess what, you're gonna still have some juices left in there, so you're gonna shake out the blender with a little bit of water, not too much, and then pour it on that trash. And then you're gonna continue on stirring a little bit with your hand and squeeze to extract the remainder of the juice. And take note of the amount of coconut milk that is in the jug presently. And then when we're done, you're going to compare it to what we have now and when we're done. So you're going to continue, repeat the process, and use your hand to squeeze out, and then you're going to get to the amount. See how much is left in there? And then you're going to do the same thing, repeat the process. You're going to pour it, and then you're going to press it with your hand to get the juice out. And can you believe it? After all that straining and pressing, you still have coconut milk left over. Waste not, want not. We try not to waste anything. So guess what? You're gonna get all the juices out, as much as you can. Yeah. And you're gonna repeat the process. Use your hands and strain, and then you go ahead. Now you're gonna get, see there, look at the amount we have in the jug there. Now it's separated because you've had it put down for a little bit. You have to mix it up, right, to incorporate everything, the water and the cream together. And now we're gonna pour out the amount that we're gonna use to make our coconut rice. And then of course you can also pour some in a Ziploc bag to store in the freezer or fridge for use at another time. Most importantly, I think you should put it in the freezer. If it's gonna be best kept in the freezer. If you're gonna use it in a day or so, then you can still keep it in the fridge. But for best storage, just put it in the freezer. Thanks for watching.